Niigata. It might not be on your list of places to visit. Heck, it might not even be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Japan. So you're probably wondering if this prefecture, just 2 hours away from Tokyo, is even worth visiting. Well, the travel intern headed to Niigata for a week, and this is what we uncovered.
First stop in Sado, Nishimikawa Gold Park. Here you can learn about the traditional gold panning process as well as try your hand at sifting gold dust. Time to get myself some bling bling. Look at it, that's the gold I collected. My roots will always be close to me.
So we're now at Chokokuji Temple, and it's been dubbed the Bunny Temple because there's literally a shrine built after bunnies.
Oh my gosh! Do you see that? He has 2 rabbits in his pocket.
We're now here at Sado Island Taiko Centre, and here you can have a go at learning the different taiko drums. Here at Shukunegi, you can explore this rustic village.
So I'm now on a tarai boat. It looks like a giant wooden tub. And this guy is steering it very expertly. Immerse yourself in true Japanese culture by staying at a ryokan.
Niigata city sits along the coast of the Sea of Japan, making it a prime spot for premium seafood and agriculture. So trying local cuisine is definitely a must.
You can try wearing a traditional Japanese kimono. You can enjoy fruit picking at Shirone Grape Garden all year round, and it's not just limited to grapes.
So we're now at the Rice Cracker Kingdom, and over here you can find all sorts of rice cracker snacks. You can even watch them being made, and in fact, you can even make one for yourself. It's like a game.
Don't mess it up! Japan is known as the land of vending machines, but have you tried sake vending machines? Let's have a try. This is my 4th cup of sake.
So you might think that this is just an ordinary factory, but no, what is unique about this place is it's actually an open concept, which means you can walk around and observe the nice beings skillfully made by expert craftsmen. So we're now at Tsubame Industrial Materials Museum, and over here you can learn all about the history of metalwork in this region, and you can even make your own craft.
Oh my gosh, it's changing color.
Look at the color. And there you have it. From the unique experiences to the food and to the people, Niigata has been nothing short of amazing.